with another bag video, and I know you guys like these videos. I've made it in the past couple of videos like this, and you guys seem to like it. So I finally got my Louis Vuitton Boulogne bag repair. I'm probably saying it wrong. I hope it's Boulogne. If not, sorry, French people. I don't speak French. I wish I did. But as you know, I did make a video in the past about my Louis Vuitton Boulogne bag that I purchased in the fall. And the bag was kind of weird. Obviously, it was a used bag. I bought it from Fashion File. It was a used bag. It was really like, it was used. So I ended up sending it to Louis Vuitton around April 2021 to get repaired, and I'll talk a little bit about the whole process. But before we start the video, if you guys see the light changing, I'm in front of a window, so the light is gonna come in and out. Hopefully it's like good lighting, but let's start. So I'll show you how the bag looks now. If you definitely want to know how the bag looked before it got repaired, I'll link the video right below, so you can go ahead and click that first if you want to know how it looks. So this is how the bag looks now. To be honest, I'm gonna be quite honest, it looks better now than when I first got it, when they sent it back to me. I was afraid that it was oh, it's just crazy, but I was afraid that they sent me back a fake Louis Vuitton bag because it just looks too, it's crazy because it looks new, but like the leather part here was obviously is a worn leather, is older, but the strap and like the bottom bits were new, so it looks fake. And I was like, oh my god, is this the right bag? But yeah, I sent it to Louis Vuitton. I don't think Louis Vuitton is gonna send me a fake bag. My cat just did something over there. So I'll tell you first. So when I first bought the bag, I actually didn't buy it. My sister bought it, but I was there in the process. She bought it for me for my birthday. I was there in the process. She bought it for $600 in Fashion File. So the bag was worn in the inside. It was tearing. Down here was like, it had like some like watermarks. The zipper was worn. It was kind of hard to open and close the bag. I mostly just kept the bag open, but so I fixed the zipper, the leather, what else, zipper, leather, the gold detailing, fixed the strap. I think it came out to be about that's my cat. What did I pay for the total repair of the bag was $1,117, roughly around there. I'll definitely put the correct price. It's gonna pop up somewhere. So if we total the $600 that my sister paid, the whole bag was about $1,700, which is fine. I think that's a good price for a Louis Vuitton bag. Hey, Louis Vuitton bags are going up, so I think that's a steal. So I'll show you the bag now. So they fixed this leather bit, is like that they fixed the leather bit in the front, both in the back of the bag and in the front. The strap leather, the details leather in the front here. This, I don't know what this part is called, but this part, this leather. So everything's new with leather wise. Khaleesi, please siéntate ahí like a cute little baby, okay? And then they end up fixing the zipper. But honestly, I think the bag itself is really hard to open because it's like scoop. So the zipper is quite still a little bit hard. It's not as hard as when I first got the bag. They fixed the zipper. They fixed the gold detailing in the bag because it was like super worn. How can I describe it? It was kind of like if you buy a fake gold ring and it's like kind of worn and like peeling. That's what it looked like. But now it's like super new and shiny. It looks really cute. They fixed the inside of the bag. I can't show you the inside because apparently I have a lot of crap. I've used this bag already. And it's all with, oh my gosh, I have a lot. I'm so embarrassed. So they fixed the inside of the bag. Like this part here was peeling off. This zipper didn't close, and end up fixing that. Okay, that's what I end up fixing. They also sent me a new dust bag because when I did purchase it with Fashion File, I got a Fashion File dust bag, but now I don't have a Louis Vuitton dust bag for the bag, which is great. We want to keep it secure. So I want to go a little bit into like the process of having the bag repair. So like I said, I sent it out in April. I didn't get a call back to pay the bag until November. So from April to November, how many months is that? April, May, June, July, August, September, October. That was 7 months I didn't have my bag. And I was starting to get scared. I was like, what the heck is going on? Did they steal my bag? It was something about like the leather. I don't know. They were saying something about the leather. I kept emailing. We kept in contact. But the process to pay the bag was probably one of the hardest. It was hard. I think it was the worst part rather than like waiting for the bag, because my card for some reason didn't want to go through the Louis Vuitton website. I had to have my card on the phone while I was paying the Louis Vuitton bag. I'm sorry, I had to have my bank on the phone while I was paying the Louis Vuitton bag through Louis Vuitton. They send you like a link where you could pay, but that part was just kind of tedious. It was just, I wish it could just go through. So I would say they were really good in keeping in contact with me, and any question I had, they would respond to me within 1 to 2 days. The people even in Louis Vuitton, when I couldn't pay for my bag because of that issue with the bank, they were so nice. They were finding ways for me, like they were gonna end up sending it back to a store and I was gonna pay that, but luckily it worked out. I got the bag shipped out to me. Standard shipping, 5 to 7 days. Say I would recommend. I recommend if you guys bought like a used Louis Vuitton and you wanted to just like repair it a little bit, I would recommend doing it, because this is kind of like they have something similar to this in the website, but it's not the exact same bag, because I guess it was in a different collection where it came out earlier. Continue bag. So for the price I paid, I thought it was a good deal. I didn't need the bag in the summer because it's not a summer bag. In my opinion, it's more of a winter fall bag. So I didn't really need the bag during those times. So I would say if you want to go for it, go for it. Before I used to use this bag for just like everyday tasks, like just doing like little mundane things. But now I use it on daily, but I also use it when I'm going out. I need a bigger bag because now it looks so cute. It looks nice. So also, I just went to Paris and I really wanted to get the bag before I went to Paris, and luckily it worked out. Perfect bag to go to Paris. It secures so much stuff and it holds so much things, which is great and a plus. And I'll show you the picture of me with the bag in Paris here. It should pop out. I hope you guys like this video. I just wanted to give you guys a little small update of how the bag is doing. If you want a full like detail on the bag, I would say watch the first video when I first got the bag. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.